Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error, video editor error, these files have properties that can't be read, so we couldn't add them. Then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Here are two solutions to this problem. The first solution is to repair and reset the Photos app, and the second one is to simply re-register it. So we will try with the easier solution first. Search for Photos in the Windows search bar and then click on app settings. Now scroll down and select terminate. Then you can click on repair. Wait till the process is done and you get a tick mark here, and then you can try resetting it. Okay, both of you will get a tick mark here and you'll also get a tick mark here. Now one thing is that you can re-register this app, but I have a better solution for you. Simply click on uninstall and then uninstall it. It will need a few seconds to uninstall the app. Meanwhile, you can search for the Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store, and then search for Photos. Hit enter. Then go to Microsoft Photos, and then you can click on this option here which says install. This will install the Microsoft Photos app. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.